the next is clearing old patterns and self-assessment. So tell us a little bit more about your advice in that area, or what you've learned or tips people can take away.
Okay. Well, even just recently, as I think you were there too, Dr. Pillai, it was very spontaneous, and he was saying, if you're not clearing your karma every day, how are you going to move forward? And he just picked up there was a bowl of limes, and he said, you take one for each of your karmas. And he said, if it's, about health, or, you can get really specific in that health area. That's a karma. If it holds you back, if it's a struggle in your life, then you take that lime and you're rolling it on your neck and where karma is stored, and you're just saying, please remove. You do the Thiru Neela Kantam, and you just ask for that particular karma to be removed. He said,
yes, really honing in on what it is.
Zeroing in.
Self-assessment comes in, right? So folks knowing what parts you're carrying from the past, knowing what thoughts are being, perpetuated that you don't want, like negative, persistent thoughts. You can take this lime and do the technique. A lot of you know this already, using your right hand, taking the lime, placing it on your throat, your shoulders, your head, your heart, any area of the body, but specifically here where karma is stored, and asking for that particular karma to be removed.
Yes, and he said use 3 each day. Take one, and that if you're focusing in on those 3 specific karmas, I know you have a great technique. You keep a bowl of limes and that knife right in the bathroom, and it's part of your morning routine.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't take. That's one thing I want to bring up. I don't like adding extra time to life. I mean, within the coaching program, I know it's not that, and that's one of the things Dr. Pillai is big on. But it is about changing your focus and setting intention, and bringing things in that are really simple and fast, but yet so powerful. And this, you have that as a morning routine. That really starts the day off.